Hello, welcome to Inspire Art Linkings. Today we are diving into the fundamental of drawing and exploring tips and techniques to help you improve your drawing skills. Whether you are a beginner or looking to refine your art, this guide is for you. So let's get started. First, let's talk about the basics. Understanding the foundation of drawing is crucial. Start with simple shapes like circles, squares, and triangles. These shapes form the building blocks of more complex drawing. Practice sketching these shapes until you feel comfortable. Next, focus on observational drawing. Look closely at the world around you and try to replicate what you see on paper. Pay attention to details, proportion, and perspective. Observational drawing sharpens your skills and train your eye to capture the essence of your subject. Today we are diving into the world of exploring how to draw a well in a village. Then mastering light and shadows is essential for adding depth and dimension to your drawing. Notice where the light source is coming from and how it affects like subject. Use shading techniques like hedging, cross hedging and blending to create realistic shadows and highlights. Practice is key to improving your drawing skills. Set aside time each day to draw, even if it's just for a few minutes. Experiment with different styles, subject, and medium. The more you practice, the better you will get. Learn from other artists, watch tutorials, attend workshops, and study the work of artists you admire. Develop your unique style as you gain confidence. Start to explore what makes your art distinctive. Your style is a reflection of your personality and creativity. So let it shine through in your work. Thank you for watching. We hope these tips help you on your journey to become a better artist. Remember to like and share this video and don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon. Thank you for